What does $356,500 buy you in luxury automobiles? Not just a car, not just a convertible, but an experience so refined, so meticulously crafted, that it redefines open-air motoring. This is the 2022 Rolls-Royce Dawn, named after the moment when night surrenders to daylight. And that poetic naming isn't just marketing. This car genuinely delivers a transformative experience every time you drop the roof. Today, we're diving into every aspect of the Rolls-Royce Dawn, from its twin-turbocharged V12 that whispers rather than roars, to the hand-stitched leather taking 60 hours to perfect, to the silent ballet roof mechanism operating with supernatural smoothness. Welcome back. If you're new here, we explore the world's most exceptional automobiles. Hit subscribe, and let's discover why Rolls-Royce calls this the sexiest Rolls-Royce ever built. Exterior design. The Dawn isn't just beautiful. It's commanding in ways that stop conversations and turn heads everywhere. Standing before this car, you're struck by iconic Rolls-Royce proportions. The impossibly long hood, short front overhang, elegant fastback roofline, and powerful rear haunches suggesting coiled strength. This convertible measures over 17 feet long. It has genuine presence. The front fascia is dominated by the legendary Parthenon grille, hand-polished stainless steel bars gleaming in sunlight. At the top sits the Spirit of Ecstasy, the famous hood ornament that gracefully retracts when you lock the car. The LED headlights aren't just functional. They're jewelry, providing exceptional illumination while maintaining elegant Rolls-Royce aesthetic. Running your hand along bodywork reveals perfection. Rolls-Royce applies multiple paint layers, then hand polishes every panel to mirror finish. Paint options are virtually unlimited through Bespoke. Want your Dawn matching your favorite lipstick or yacht? Rolls-Royce makes it happen. The profile showcases sporting character beneath luxury. Long flowing lines, subtle character lines, chrome accents, and magnificent 21-inch polished wheels create aesthetics simultaneously classic and contemporary. One unmissable detail: coach doors. Rear hingeback doors open backward, creating grand entrances. They close with powered assistance, pull them nearly closed, and electric motors take over with a vault-like thunk. The roof mechanism. What makes the Dawn special? The convertible roof mechanism called a silent ballet. This 6-layer insulated fabric roof provides genuine 4-season comfort, blocking noise, heat, and cold so effectively you'd never know you're in a convertible when raised. Press the button and watch magic unfold. The tonneau opens. The roof arcs backward. Fabric folds with perfect precision. In just 22 seconds, even while driving up to 31 miles per hour, the roof disappears, transforming Dawn from elegant coupe to breathtaking convertible. What's remarkable is silence. No grinding, no whining, no struggling. Just smooth, whispered motion. Engineering elevated to art. Interior luxury. Step inside. This transcends luxury into mobile architecture. The leather comes from bulls raised in cooler European climates where no barbed wire or insects mark hides. Each hide is hand-inspected. Only perfect portions are used. The result feels like silk. Seats are masterpieces offering 20-way adjustment, heating, ventilation, and massage. 10 minutes here makes every other seat feel like wood. Door panels aren't simply covered. They're compositions, with wood veneer book-matched and mirror-matched across both sides. Rolls-Royce sources wood from single trees, ensuring consistency. Wood options include Cannondale paneling, traditional walnut, or exotic woods through Bespoke. Each piece is cut, shaped, lacquered with 6 coats, and hand-polished to wet-looking depth. The dashboard maintains simplicity. The analog clock, a Rolls-Royce signature, sits center stage, a genuine quality timepiece. Above, the Starlight Headliner features hundreds of fiber-optic lights hand-woven into roof lining, creating twinkling constellations. You can have Rolls-Royce program specific star patterns, your wedding night, a child's birth, any meaningful date. Rear seats, accessed through coach doors, provide surprising space. 2 adults fit comfortably with heating, ventilation, and optional entertainment screens. The V12 engine. Powering this, a 6.6-liter twin-turbocharged V12 producing 563 horsepower and 605 lb-ft of torque from just 1,500 revolutions per minute. This engine doesn't shout. It whispers, delivering thrust with effortless smoothness. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.9 seconds. Quick for 5,700 pounds. Top speed, 155 miles per hour. The 8-speed automatic shifts with telepathic smoothness. You never feel jolts or hunting. It delivers the right ratio at the right moment. Power goes to rear wheels through limited slip differential. Traction control and massive Pirelli tires ensure effective delivery. At idle, you barely know the engine runs. No vibración, no noise. At speed, the note is cultured and distant. Muted rumble suggesting power without intrusiveness. Driving experience. Driving the Dawn. Transcendent. Drop the roof, select your mode, and pull away. Immediately notice ride quality. Despite 21-inch wheels, the Dawn glides over imperfections like they don't exist. The secret? Air suspension using sensors reading roads via GPS and cameras, preemptively adjusting damping. It's called flag bearer, working with supernatural effectiveness. Steering is light at parking speeds, building weight progressively as speed increases. You place the Dawn with surprising accuracy. Sport mode firm suspension, quickens throttle, holds gears longer. The Dawn responds eagerly, flowing through corners with poise belying its size. But this car shines when unhurried. Cruise relaxed, roof down, and Dawn becomes a magic carpet. Wind buffeting is minimal. Exhaust note is muted but pleasant. The engine pulls effortlessly. The real joy, perfect weighting of every control, quality materials, knowledge that every component was crafted to highest standards. Technology. The infotainment provides everything needed. Navigation with real-time traffic, premium audio, available 1,300-watt, 16-speaker bespoke audio, Bluetooth, USB ports, wireless charging. Driver assistance operates subtly, adaptive cruise, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, intervening only when necessary. Head-up display projects information onto windshield. A 360-degree camera makes parking easier than expected. One detail exemplifying attention: power closing umbrella compartments in front doors. Specially designed umbrellas fit perfectly, draining water away. Bespoke customization. The Bespoke program separates Dawn from every luxury convertible. Bespoke isn't choosing options. It's working with designers creating completely unique automobiles reflecting personal taste. The only limits: imagination and budget. Want custom paint colors? They'll create it. Interior leather matching a handbag? Done. Hand-embroidered monograms, custom wood inlays, diamonds in the dashboard? All possible. Remarkable bespoke Dawns have featured hand-painted coach lines with precious metals, customized clocks with family crests, leather matching specific flowers, wood from owner's property trees, embroidery depicting meaningful scenes. No two Dawns need be alike. Each becomes rolling personal expression. Practicality. Trunk space. Adequate but not generous. With roof up, 11.5 cubic feet, enough for weekend bags. Roof down, space decreases significantly. Fuel economy. 12 city, 19 highway, 15 combined MPG. Requires premium fuel. You'll visit expensive gas stations frequently. Maintenance costs are substantial. Annual service recommended. Parts are expensive, but 4-50,000 mile warranty covers virtually everything. Surprisingly usable daily if you handle attention. Good visibility, comfortable ride, parking sensors help maneuvering. The Bentley Continental GTC is most direct competitor. British ultra-luxury, convertible with W12, beautiful design. Slightly less expensive, more sporting, but lacks ultimate Rolls-Royce prestige. Mercedes-Maybach S-Class Cabriolet existed until recently. Beyond those, you're looking at more expensive cars or less luxurious ones. The Dawn occupies unique space. Ultimate open-air luxury motoring. Is the Dawn worth $356,500 or more with bespoke options? If you're asking, it probably isn't for you. The Dawn is for people where price becomes less important than experience, where driving something truly special outweighs financial considerations. You get craftsmanship elevated to art, engineering serving elegance. Knowledge your car was built largely by hand by specialists dedicated to perfection. The Dawn delivers experiences unlike anything else. Luxury, performance, and open-air freedom creating memorable moments every time you lower the roof. Is it the best convertible ever? Subjective, but it's certainly the most luxurious, most customizable, most special. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe for more luxury content, and comment. Dawn or Bentley Continental GTC? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Keep dreaming of that V12 and perfectly stitched leather.